Chips are one of the most popular and widespread snacks in the world, overcoming any age, gender, ethnicity, and religious faith. They are, in short, an absolutely democratic product. This is a product created with a few ingredients: potatoes, oil, salt, any flavors. The market where companies that produce potato chips in envelopes operate is oligopolistic. It has barriers to entry because for the production of a product you need a huge capital. The most important brands in this sector are Pringles, Lay's, San Carlo. The raw materials used by the different companies to arrive to the final product must pass checks with flying colors: quality of the chip, quality of the vegetable oil. To get to the potato chip bag, the raw materials is subjected to washing, peeling, cutting, cooking, and salting. A very important component for companies in this sector is biotechnology, the union between biology, knowledge of living beings, and technology, application of technical tools. More specifically, it is the technological application that uses the biological systems of living organisms to produce and modify processes for a specific purpose. Initially, the potato companies used to sell their products daily to the baker and the bars. In a few years, however, the founders of the various multinationals, such as Vitaloni Francesco, founder of San Carlo, converted the stores into companies and then into multinationals, succeeding in their intention to expand and produce in foreign countries, such as Spain and France, and to export all over Europe. The expansions in the global market has been driven by a specific business need reach new customers in a scenario called by well-established goals competitors. The strong point of the potato chips companies to reach many more people is television, with the commercials. Companies such as Pringles appear on television at strategic times, such as lunchtime, approximately 12:30 p.m., or dinner time, approximately 9 p.m., where the audience is highest on channels such as Mediaset and Channel 5. Another strategy used is to be sponsored by well-known people. For example, San Carlo is sponsored by chefs such as Carlo Cracco and Antonino Cannavacciuolo, and they are the ones who brings this product to their television programs, such as MasterChef, where they allow maximum visibility, and this gives the product a refined and classic image.